Hello friends, the objective of this learning unit is after the completion of this unit, learners will be able to discuss the ways to plan for an integrated unit or model. In the last video, we discussed about benefits and challenges of adopting integrated learning approach in our classroom. In this video, let us discuss about the common ways to plan for an integrated unit. As a teacher, we often try to do something new to make teaching learning process interesting. But sometimes we face difficulties in creating such conducive learning atmosphere. And also we face difficulties in planning. If you are interested to plan for an integrated unit, but not getting any idea where to start and how to start, this video will help you a lot. First, go through the syllabus thoroughly and choose a topic or concept. Next is think about the topic. Do you see opportunities for integration? It would be good to write down all different options that you have on a separate paper. It's good to be as specific as possible. Whatever you are thinking, just write down. Don't choose between them initially. Just write every thought on the paper. Then share your thoughts with other teachers and let them know your planning and learning outcomes of the child. The next point is read some documents or research articles and discuss them with your colleagues if required. It is important to see wider perspective. Nowadays, a lot of opportunities are available on the platforms like OECD's PISA documents, Diksha, Nishtha, Senta, NCERT official YouTube channel, etc. Please go through them and discuss the important points you selected with your colleagues. The next point is read other board syllabus and books. Suppose you are a teacher and teaching CBSE students. Read the book of other boards like ICSE, different state government published books, international standard books, etc. If you see some opportunities there for subject integrations, then write down all these things on a separate paper. Next, introduce your ideas to other teachers or your team members. Now, after having a good research, you draft your thoughts and processes and present them before your team. Here, team means the other teachers of your Vidyalaya dealing with the same students. If you have any new thoughts or ideas during presentation, write down them separately and implement them later. The next point is make cooperation agreement with your colleagues or with your team members. This may seem pointless in the beginning, but in reality, it is extremely important to establish communication agreements and share your expectations to your team members before potential problem arise. People and their work culture are different. So it is very important to have a good communication with your team members. The next point is choose the type of integration you will be using. Means whether you want to integrate your concept or topic within the same subject or with other subjects. If with other subjects, then with which subjects you are going to integrate, or you want to integrate with real life situations. First, choose the type of integration. Everything should be finalized well in advance before drafting your plan. Now answer some key questions like why is this unit needed? What is the content of the unit? What is the purpose or goal of this unit? What is the expected result? When will be the activities of the unit takes place? Where does the learning takes place? What tools are needed to successfully complete the unit? How to evaluate the unit? What are the risks associated with it? So ask. Now is the time for implementation. Complete the teaching learning process with your children as per your planning. Next point is assessment. Develop suitable rubrics, tools for assessment. If you are using interdisciplinary or transdisciplinary approach, then think together how to assess students' achievements. Here, think together means with all your team members who are involved in the process. Students should also be given the opportunity to make their own assessment as it supports the learning process. Include your students in the creation of evaluation criteria. Now the last point is feedback. What went well? What should be changed? Ask feedback from your students and also from your team members and implement those feedbacks in your next plan. Thank you friends for watching this video where we discussed how to plan for an integrated learning unit if you are totally new to this pedagogy or to this approach. In the next video, we'll discuss about the different types of integration. Thank you.